Greeting smartphone. We're going to be looking at how we can import a PowerPoint presentation to Google Slide. Yes, it's very important. Right? So for you want to do the presentation in Google Slide, but you don't know how to get it there. So I'm going to show how you can actually import it. All right. So as you can see, this is set for the presentation right here that we wanted to import. All right. But if you notice, I don't have Google Slide right here on my computer. So I want to bring up the browser right here. Notice when I bring up the browser right here, notice I already signed in. So I click right here to nine look at that and scroll up, scroll up. So this is service slide. So I want to click on the right slide. Now when you click on slide, you notice it take you directly inside here. I'm going to select a blank. Now when I select a blank, you see exactly what happened. All right. So this here you go. You can actually close the team over here. All right. So what you wanted to do is to import the slides over here. So this is where slide going to go. Right. So you're going to click right here on file. When you click on file, if you notice right here, see the word import slides, you're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, you bring up this interface right here. Right here. So this is the other recent one them. Right. You can upload. Right here. You can get it from the drive. Come share with me, but I'm going to upload it from the desktop. I can drag it and drop it. I can also click right here and browse. Alright, so this is it for the presentation. I'm going to click. Then I'm going to come here to so I see cancel and open. Alright, if you notice right here, showing that it actually loading so far. If you notice, these are all the slides. Right, so definitely I'm going to choose the one that I want. Right, if I click right here, you notice immediately down here, show you. Right, I want this one. I click and then I click on this one. Right, pay attention to where so when I finish, I click right as the import slide. Right, so when I click, you notice right over here. Right, if you notice, the slide then show up over here. The slide show up over here. So like the first one, you can right click on it and press delete. You no longer need that one. Alright, so you want to run a slideshow with it. If you notice, right here, slideshow, or you can click a little pointer right here. This is presentation view. Right, when you click, definitely this is exactly how it look like. Right, you can scroll up with the mouse. Right, so this here right in your Google slide and all that. So if you create something in the Microsoft PowerPoint, you can basically get it up. You can also upload it to Google Drive. Just the same. When you finish, you can press escape key like that to bring it right like that. You can also give it the name right there. Alright, so hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.